and system in next 5 years. Uh, the first, I'll directly go. So this department started actually when I joined from IIM Ahmedabad back to department. Then we started this economic intelligence unit, and then since last 3 years we are working. We are connecting different agencies. So this is the sequence. I won't go into that. These are the data sources, internal and external. We already connected Indian Customs, income tax, service tax, and some other departments. So this is the framework which will be there in next 5 years for Maharashtra sales tax. And I know that no power can stop an idea whose time has come. So time has come that all taxation agencies or all revenue agencies should be linked, and things which will change the complete game in the taxation or revenue collection, actually receipts side. So in our case, all things, as in morning also, Commissioner Bhatia sir told that all data is collected electronically, validated electronic data, e-registration, e-return, e-payment, and E704 and all those things. So complete validated data is collected. Then it comes to our Mahavat portal, and then Mahavikas is our internal transaction system. And then third and most important ambitious project, which is first of its kind in commercial tax in India, is data warehouse and business intelligence tools. We have already placed our system integrator on board. Capgemini is our system integrator on board. They have already started requirement gathering and all those things. So within next 8 months, we will be having a complete project and we'll start analyzing with business intelligence tools. We are connecting with different agencies like CBEC and CBDT. We are already connected. Central Board of Excise and Customs and Central Board of Direct Taxes, that is income tax. In first, there are 3 agencies: Customs, Excise, and Service Tax. So we have developed software in Delhi, actually at CBEC, DigiSystem CBSE. We have presented it to North Block Revenue Secretary, Government of India, and now it's Maharashtra is the only state, so it is a pilot project plus with central 4 agencies. Now we will include 5 more states in next 1 or 2 months, and in 1 or 2 years, all India will be connected with all taxation agencies, central taxation agencies, and the tax buoyancy will be huge. Literally, we have got good results from our pilot. And we are connecting then border check post, Tinaxis, then we see revenue is getting up. Then Kosh Vahini, which purchases a lot of, which has details about government purchases. We are connecting Kosh Vahini also. And Financial Intelligence Unit is the unit in Delhi, actually, which collect data whenever you deposit or withdraw more than 50,000 at a time. The data goes to Delhi's server. From there, we have got a lot of good results in cases. In Bombay, we found that in sales tax database, dealer is showing only 3 or 4 banks, and when we got data from FI, we got 60 banks in one case, actually, and bank accounts were held at Saharanpur and Trivandrum and Visakhapatnam, and dealer is having his office in Masjid Bandar. So a lot of things are coming up, and I'm sure this will change the whole taxation game in India. Then MCA, Minister of Corporate Affairs, also we are trying to connect online, and then SEBI and Octroi. Bombay Octroi also got good benefit from sales tax data, actually. And now since local body tax LBT is coming, every municipal organization asking me the data, actually. Kolhapur, we are giving data to Kolhapur, then Ulhasnagar, and all municipal corporations are taking data from Maharashtra sales tax. So this is the 5-year job, next 5-year job for Maharashtra sales tax. I'll show another 2 slides, actually. So this is the data exchange project. This page is already completed, actually. We are uploading data through FTP server. So every agency uploads data from their own server, machine. So I can, from my chamber, I can upload data of return, registration, and all to Delhi's CBEC, where our server is there, BI server, and then the data is analyzed, and analyzed reports are sent back to that particular individual department. So this is the idea about data exchange project. I'll go fast for data warehouse. This is the idea of data, and I must say that Rajesh and also has helped us in this lot of way, because of him only this project is possible. This is first of its kind in India actually for commercial tax, and it will change complete India's taxation system. In next 5 years, every state will have BI tools with them, because anyway they are going with electronic data. So it's systems, Mahavikas, Mahavat, external sources, and then analysis, and then reports to all CM or Deputy CM or Finance Minister or Secretary. They can see from their own chamber how much is how many registrations at Barsi or how many registrations at Garchiroli. So all payments and all those things, all things are possible. And these are the techniques. Actually, I won't go into much details, because business intelligence, different type of analysis, cluster analysis and optimization technique, time series patterns. So basically BI things. I won't go into much details. And the standard reports and ad hoc reports will be generated, which will give. And this is the POC done actually. This is changing. We get circular transactions actually. So whatever way, even we can go back up to 1,000 times. If there are 1,000 suppliers in the chain, so we can trace the original importer or manufacturer, and we can catch that guy. In morning, sir has told that Hawala dealers. So it's possible to catch last Hawala dealer through this system. And then cyber forensic, last thing. Cyber forensic is the again first of its kind in commercial tax in India. So we already visited many labs. Hyderabad, 3 labs we have visited: Hyderabad Police, Government, AP, and then Deloitte, Asia, then Gujarat lab. And Sir Rajesh Agrawal sir has helped us in this also to establish. It's already established, and actual working will start within few days. I must say that things are possible in government also, and things are changing very fast. And it's possible that लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. So we must work hard, and I'm sure with this and with support of you all, we can rise. And I must say that in Maharashtra particularly, we need funds for development, for roads and dams and everything, irrigation, basically infrastructure. I have seen infrastructure in Korea, in US when I was had been training to there. And Gujarat, where I was at IIM for 1 year, Ahmedabad. So infrastructure is fantastic in those states, and Maharashtra is unfortunately infrastructure is lagging. But I'm sure with the funds from all these taxation agencies connecting taxation, which will we have collected last year 56,000 crore, and this year we will be expecting 70,000 crore. At the end of 31st March, and by next financial year we are expecting more than 1 lakh crore. So I'm sure with that, with the help of all these projects and with the help of connectivity of different agencies, we'll definitely cross 1 lakh figure in after 2 years down the line. So lastly, I'll say that the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. Thanks a lot.